Are you leaving money on the table because you're only using the buy and sell buttons on the Kraken mobile app? For a long time, that's exactly what I did. I thought fast market orders were the only way to trade on the go, but I quickly realized that kind of trading is expensive and often less profitable. If you're serious about maximizing your efficiency and controlling your costs when you trade crypto, you have to use the mobile app's advanced features. Here are my 3 best mobile trading tricks for the Kraken app that leveled up my game. 1. Prioritize limit orders to slash fees. The absolute easiest trick is changing your default order type. When you just tap buy or sell, you're executing a market order. This buys or sells immediately at the best available price, making you a taker, and takers pay higher trading fees. My trick is simple: always try to use a limit order instead. When you place a limit order, you specify the exact price you want to buy or sell at. This makes you a maker, because you're adding liquidity to the exchange, and Kraken rewards makers with significantly lower fees. Yes, your order might not fill immediately, you might have to wait for the price to drop or rise to your level, but the fee savings alone make it worth the patience. I set my limit, close the app, and let the market come to me. 2. Use conditional orders for hands-free risk management. Trading on your phone means you're not always watching the chart, and that's a huge risk. This is where my next trick comes in: mastering stop-loss and take-profit orders. The Kraken app allows you to set these powerful tools up right from your device. A stop-loss order is essential. It automatically sells your asset if the price drops to a certain point, protecting you from a major unexpected loss while you're away from your screen. It's your insurance policy. On the flip side, a take-profit order automatically sells a portion of your asset when it hits a target price. This locks in your gains without you having to be awake at 3 a.m. to hit the sell button. By pairing a limit buy order with an immediate stop-loss and take-profit, I build an entire trade strategy in seconds, secure in the knowledge my risk is managed even if my phone is in my pocket. 3. Leverage notifications for timely entries. Finally, the most overlooked feature is custom price alerts. You don't need to stare at the screen all day, let the app do the monitoring for you. Go into your settings and set up specific price alerts. I set alerts for key support and resistance levels. For instance, if I'm waiting to buy Bitcoin when it dips to $60,000, I set an alert. The trick here is to be granular. Don't just set one alert. Set an alert a little above your target entry price, say $60,500. When that alert fires, it's my cue to open the app, analyze the momentum, and be ready to execute my limit order at the precise $60,000 level. This gives me a competitive edge and stops me from impulsive trading just because I happen to open the app. Implementing just these 3 simple mobile tricks, using limit orders for lower fees, setting stop-loss and take-profit orders for automated risk, and leveraging custom price alerts for superior entry timing, will transform your mobile trading experience on Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.